Hi guys, it's Carrie with License to Carry, but did you know that I am also on the board for the Texas Handgun Association? Some of you are already members, awesome. Some of you maybe are wanting to become members or aren't members yet, great. But regardless, we would love to have you join us this year at our annual conference. But it's not just any conference, guys, it's our 25th. Super exciting, right? And our keynote speaker this year, wait for it, is gonna be Ed Monk. Kind of a big deal, right? So we would love to see you there. We're going to have a lot of instructional development. We're going to be talking about modes of self-defense. We're going to be talking about the laws and what is current and valid and what we need to know. So please come and join us. And there's not just going to be all the learning, but we're also going to be doing some fun shoot, because what would be a conference without a little fun shoot, right? And we're going to be doing raffles, drawings, prizes, poker night. It's so much fun. It's May 19th through 21st at the YO Ranch Hotel in Kerrville, Texas. You can register on our website at texashandgunassociation.org, and we hope to see you then.